Hello guys, I am playing largest obby. So let's get started. Right? I do.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Or as Oliver would say, uh-oh.
Why does it keep disappearing? Oh. I jumped that one. I didn't even touch it. What? I made it. I couldn't turn.
So apparently you're not so good at walking?
No.
Oh no!
What?
You're not so good at jumping either. This is like really dark.
Yeah, I don't know why. Like, the first time I went in here, it was like super dark. You couldn't even see the platform.
Yeah, that's kind of how I am.
Yeah, like now I can
angle?
kind of see it a little better for some reason.
Yeah, it's really hard to see.
I jumped over it. But I think it disappeared under my feet.
You think?
Look.
I think you're jumping too far.
Yeah, me too. Wow, you look weird. Why are your feet so big? And then your
My
body.
feet aren't that big. Oh, you mean why is your Roblox guy's feet so big?
No, like someone else's. Look at this girl. Like their feet are so big, and then her body is so skinny.
Oh,
I keep jumping over that last one.
Oh no.
Wouldn't stop jumping. I can't do it. I made it! Finally!
What's wrong now?
It like kept going and I couldn't stop.
Whoa.
But it was just for like a second. Wait, so you can either do this way or this way is easier. Because it's shorter and something else. I have no idea what I was even going to say.
It's shorter and easier.
Yeah, and well, it's a little bit harder, but then it's shorter, so it saves me time. Wait, what? I didn't even touch it.
Well, apparently you did.
Hello.
Was that the girl with the big feet?
Yeah, look.
They're like big legs, not just feet.
Yeah, they're like feet and legs in Roblox. In Roblox, they're like...
Oh, your feet are
Your
that
feet
high?
are as big as your legs. It didn't jump me. And I was like, did I survive that or not?
You weren't sure, huh?
Yeah. I like stepped on a thing and then it looked like I didn't get it, but then it finally showed that I got it. So, did it again. These are easy to jump on too, because they're like ladders and then you can climb up onto them. But then I always walk off for some reason. The heck? Oh, ah. Mm. Uh. It's like just the size, and then I keep forgetting that it's just the size of where I need to jump. So I keep trying to jump higher, and then I just go over it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't do that. This is, wait, oh, this is easy. What I was gonna say. I'm like, wait, I might regret that, so I'm not gonna. Wait, oh.
You don't want to speak too soon.
Yeah.
Because it might actually not be easy. Was it not easy?
No, it was easy. It's not this one.
Oh,
it was
this
the.
one's
It
not
was
very
the. Yeah.
Is this a?
It was that
belt?
one because like I thought I was gonna die over there, but then I like caught myself or somehow.
Oh.
What?
So is this a conveyor belt? Is that why?
Yeah, it speeds you up. But then if you're not walking at that one, then you don't get going a little farther.
Then you hit those little black dots. And it kills you. Oh, you made it!
I made it! Yay! Why isn't like one of those jump things a conveyor belt so it makes it harder? So like when you walk and then it like speeds you up, so then you need to like hold the jump button, but then people that don't know that you can hold the jump button would always like be bad at it, but then you also kind of have to go forward. You kind of have to go forward so that you don't like jump and then just fall down.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Okay.
So you landed on the platform below, and then it didn't kill you.
Yeah, because if you like land on something just below you, then it doesn't kill you. Like you have to.
But you have to jump off of it so you can get back to where you were.
Yeah. Or you could just try and get back to where you were. And I thought I was gonna die then.
You landed on the other ledge though, huh?
Yeah.
Out here it's a little easier to see, I feel like.
Yeah, it seems like lighter. It seems like it was dark, and then if you get like a level up and then down, and then it gets light. It seems like the sun goes down and then the sun goes up or something.
Yeah, maybe.
Or what? Oh, there's like a slight color change. See that color change there?
Yeah. Oh, and that kills you?
Yeah.
That's what kills you?
So you have to jump over that. Why don't the red balls kill you?
I don't know, usually red does kill you, huh?
Yeah, like usually people put red down so you know that it like kills you instead of just being a regular thing right there.
There was two options too.
Why was there two options?
I have no idea.
Like, it made no difference at all.
Well, maybe the other one broke away if you would have taken it, and it wouldn't have been there anymore.
Well, it looks like that was like going away. But I like it because like then you could see your guy instead of just seeing that. Instead of just like it being there and then
it
like
your view,
it blocking your view. Or like it just zooms you in, so then it's like I can't see, and then you sometimes die because of that. This is hard to walk up. Okay. What the heck? Ah! Oh, no. This is so hard. There, perfect. Did Daddy get you another package?
Yes, he did.
This is so hard. I either fall off the world or I get killed by these things. And then there's like 500 of them that you have to pass. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 of them that you have to pass. But I didn't even walk. And it just killed me. Looked all white and then like all different when I respawned that one. Can you help me? Oh. Now I got it. Now it's easy. I did it. What? That really got me. There was like another side that you had to jump off to get to the other thing. Seriously, dude? How did you even die on this? Seriously, you killed me. On the easiest thing ever. He just